Scan for SOVI, your AI bestie. I got your back.
Corals and algae are doing some serious chemistry in the ocean today. Let's quickly compare the DMSP production between adult and juvenile corals using the provided data.
First, look at Figure 1 to find the juvenile coral data at the start of the 32-degree trial. The graph shows that juveniles produce about 3 units of DMSP. Next, check the adult coral graph for that same starting point in the 32-degree trial. You will see the bar for adults reaches all the way up to 15. Now just divide 15 by 3 to find the ratio between them. Since 15 divided by 3 equals 5, adult corals produce 5 times more DMSP, making option C correct. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with SOVI. Avoid a rush when reading graphs and always trust the given data points to